Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My channel is about all things beauty related, all kinds of makeup content. Today we're trying out a bunch of new drugstore makeup and some old drugstore makeup mixed in. Everything is from the drugstore and super affordable. So we're gonna jump right in, and this is the makeup look, the finished look. And I think I really like all the products I used. So we're gonna jump right in. So here is the new Wet n Wild primer. This is the Wet n Wild 5% niacinamide Pore Focused Clingy Serum Primer. I am obsessed with this color. It's this really nice peachy shade. It has gorgeous packaging, a nice pump, and I feel like everyone is coming out with their own version of a grippy primer. So it's actually pretty thick. Oh, it feels like hair gel, but like in a good way. It's like a creamy, definitely has that glue grippy feeling. Yeah, it's thick, but in a good way. Wow, it's grippy, all right. You can see that? It's gripping. Okay, got it mainly on my cheeks. I want it on my forehead. My hands are gonna be sticky. So next, this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Blur Out Stick. I already did a full review on this, but since I'm using newer drugstore makeup, I thought I'd go ahead and use this in the video. I really like this. I really was not expecting to like this so much. I put a lot on. I like to get the coverage, the best possible coverage I can get out of this. And it's super easy just to like tap in. It's literally like the perfect everyday makeup tint product. And see how it covered up my broken blood vessel here? There is really good coverage, but still has the feeling of a tint. And I will have all the products linked below, but this is shade number 4. And I really am enjoying this. I mean, look at that. The skin is just flawless. Everything blended out super nice. I'm just gonna rub whatever's left on my eyelids. So hard to get the glue off your lashes. All right, and just like that, the skin tint is on. Love the skin tint. Just have to make sure you get this cap, but the cap's like stuck in the lid. Make sure it's nice and airtight. So next, I'm gonna go in with the Physician Formulas. Was this multi-use stick, and this is in the shade Sunkissed Rose. I have used this on my Instagram. I've used this on my YouTube, TikTok. This is such a good drugstore, high quality contour stick. And I'm just mainly using the contour. And it smells like paradise. It smells really good. But look at that. It's like the perfect color, the perfect blend. It blends out like a dream. So good. So I want it in my hairline here, so I'm just gonna brush it up. But way too much down here. I'm gonna have to clean this up with some of the contour or the concealer stick for my nose. This is like the best to contour for my nose. Doesn't really give me any problems. And I feel like the more I use it, the creamier it gets. I mean, look at that. The nose is definitely overdone, but okay. So now I'm gonna go in with the contour stick and just kind of clean up a little bit here. Put a little bit down here. You know, it's a good thing about having the contour stick. You can just add up a little bit where you want it. Don't want to use my foundation brush, so I'm gonna use concealer brush. Where are you? Just gonna use my concealer brush. So now I am going to go in with, so now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and this is in the shade 160. This stuff is so good. This is like a nurse must-have. I feel like mine's like dried out or something. And I just like to conceal the eyelids as well. I got veiny eyelids. All right, and now I'm gonna go with a new Wet n Wild Loose Setting Powder. And this is in the shade Soft Pink. That is what she looks like. And I also have this Wet n Wild beautiful, beautiful eye puffer. Holy cannoli, a lot came out. So I'm just gonna put some, it seems so finely milled. Whoa. So I'm just gonna tap some here in my hand, and it is finely milled, you guys. Oh my goodness. It set my bottom eyelids beautifully. Wow. You know, this might be as good as Huda Beauty, but it's even like lighter, if that makes sense. Like it's more powdery. It's not really showing up as pink, which I like. I like a little touch of pink, something to do something, but really not gonna like overkill anything and be like super, super pink under the eye. Looks really nice. So this is an indie brand. It's called What's Up Beauty. I love their makeup, love the owner, and I already kind of dived into this as soon as I got it, but this is in the shade Light. It's their new setting powder, and I'm going in with their What's Up Beauty brush. Their brushes are amazing. Tati has talked about her products on her channel as well, but they really are awesome. Her eyeshadow palettes are amazing. The brushes are amazing. And the brushes are amazing, the eyeshadows are amazing, her lipsticks are amazing. Her entire line is so good. It's a small business, indie brand, and that's really, I love to support indie brands. So I'm really seeing the pink under the eyes. I'm not sure if it's because I mixed concealer with the pink, but it's really pink under the eyes. And I don't like my pink, I don't like being that pink under the eyes because it looks to me like you're sick. But like I'm looking in the mirror right now and it's pretty pink. Like, do you see it? It's pink. So for contour, I'm gonna go in with my Ride or Die contours. It's the Milani, what's this? The Sun Kiss Silky Matte Bronzer. I have purchased this so many times. I love it, love it. I feel like the makeup around my mouth is looking funny. I feel like the primer is really gripping like every single hair. So now I'm gonna go in with Essence. This is the Essence Pure Nude Fake Blush in the shade Cool Coral. So you guys are the ones who told me to get this because it's supposed to be similar to Hourglass, and this is so good. I absolutely love it. And I've been using it a lot lately, and it really is a super nice baked glowy blush. Look at that glow. Guys, I don't know how I feel about the under eye powder. It's super pink. Like, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. It's not that bad, and it does make my like inner half of my face look super pink, but I don't know. All right, and this is a newer product. This is the Palladio. They're on Amazon. It's a lip scrub and it's watermelon, and it comes like a stick like this. It's so good. It smells like summertime. I'll be right back. All right, and to go in with a drugstore highlighter, I'm going with the Essence Be My Highlight. This is so good, and it's their baked formula as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows using not a drugstore product. So this will be fast forward. All right, and then I have the new Wet n Wild Mega Stay Brow Gel. So it's got the powder all over it, but it is their clear brow gel. 16-hour hold, extreme hold. Well, let's see. Oh yeah, this feels like glue. This feels really, really nice. And my brows are like literally staying where they're put. Wow, this might be the strongest glue ever. Literally feels like hair gel. Wow, definitely made my brows super fluffy. And it's like staying. Super impressed. Mega Stay, that is correct. And so for my eyes, I'm just gonna go in with some of the bronzer into my crease. And I'm also gonna take some of the highlighter and I'm just gonna rub it on the center of my lid. Emphasize a little bit and then take a small brush and highlight my inner corner. This highlighter like definitely gives you a glow that's not like super overwhelming. All right, so for setting spray, I love a few drugstore setting sprays. I love the e.l.f. the Hydro Grip one, this one by NYX, and the black one by like the marshmallow scent, even though since fragrances and products is not necessary, but I like this. And I also like Milani. So those are my 3 favorite drugstore ones, but I love this one. It's been a while since I sprayed it, so let's see. Okay. Oh, that's powerful. Like this one truly holds your makeup. I am just going to a friend's for dinner, so I'm really not worried about looking super, you know, but I do want my neck to match. I feel like I don't let my face and my neck see the sun when I'm out, just to help me not age. But I want these to match. All right, so now we're gonna do eyes. L'Oreal Nude Eyeliner. This stuff is amazing. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my non-drugstore mascara. I don't have any drugstore mascaras at the moment, but I love L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and I love so many, honestly, but. All right, so now I'm gonna go with Maybelline. This is their Lifter Liner, and the shade Line Leader is the prettiest natural pink shade. They're so smooth, and they glide like butter, and they last forever. And now I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil. This stuff is so good. It's lip plumping, glossy. So I think I do like this pink powder. After doing the rest of my makeup and the setting spray, it looked much better, more brightening and less overpoweringly pink. But I think when I'm tanner too, this will look way better. And look how plumping this lip gloss is. I'm telling you, the L'Oreal plumping lip glosses are unreal. Probably my most plumping lip gloss I own. Definitely put on way too much. I promise it's not sticky, it's just glossy. And so good. All right, guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.